Hello everyone, welcome back to the Puzzled Mind. Today we are playing Nature Edition of the Would You Rather Challenge. Get ready to make some tough choices as we explore the beauty of nature and its wonders. But before starting the video, subscribe to channel to get more fun videos. Let's start. Would you rather spend a day in a forest or watch a waterfall? Would you rather hike in the mountains or swim in the ocean? Would you rather explore a dense jungle or climb a tall mountain? Would you rather have a picnic in a meadow or a garden? Would you rather go birdwatching in a rainforest or by the coast? Would you rather have a treehouse in the woods or a cabin by the lake? Would you rather walk through a forest or along a coastline? Would you rather have a flower-filled garden or a vegetable garden? Would you rather go horseback riding or kayaking? Would you rather have a hammock between two trees or a porch swing by a lake? Would you rather watch a sunrise or a sunset? Would you rather go on a nature photography expedition or a wildlife safari? Would you rather visit the Grand Canyon or hike in the Swiss Alps? Would you rather have a backyard filled with flowers or a designer's garden? Would you rather swim in a lake or in the ocean? Would you rather have a bonfire on the beach or in the woods? Would you rather go on a nature walk or go birdwatching? Would you rather visit a national park or a botanical garden? Would you rather have a picnic in a field of wildflowers or at a waterfall? Would you rather go on a canoeing trip or a hiking expedition? Would you rather have a garden filled with colorful butterflies or hummingbirds? Would you rather go for a swim in a secluded lake or a hidden waterfall? Would you rather go on a wildlife safari or a whale watching excursion? Would you rather have a tree swing or a hammock in your backyard? Would you rather have a flower crown or a lei made of tropical flowers? Would you rather explore a mystical forest or an underwater coral reef? Would you rather have a balcony garden or a rooftop garden? Would you rather go on a camping trip in the woods or a beach camping trip? rather go for a hike in the mountains or a walk on the beach? Would you rather have a backyard filled with fireflies or with colorful birds? Would you rather have a picnic by a serene lake or a picnic by a cascading waterfall? Would you rather have a garden with blooming roses or a garden with vibrant sunflowers? Would you rather have a serene meditation garden or a lush botanical garden? Would you rather go on a jungle expedition or explore an icy glacier? Would you rather have a backyard with a cozy hammock or a treehouse hideout? Would you rather have a backyard pond or a butterfly garden? Would you rather go birdwatching in a forest or by a tranquil lake? Would you rather have a flower-filled meadow or a serene mountain view? Would you rather go on a nature hike or go stargazing at night? Would you rather have a backyard with a bubbling stream or a colorful garden with butterflies? Would you rather go to Antarctica to see glacier or go to Switzerland for green mountains? Would you rather sit in a cool breeze and feel fresh air or want to enjoy raining? Would you rather go to fairyland or enjoy gardening? Hope you enjoyed the video. Comment your choice below and don't forget to subscribe.